kids! Get ready to sing along with HappyToons Rhymes! We are the ABC Sweet Treats! Come and celebrate!
L for waffle pie so warm, crispy crust with cozy charm. B for brownie soft and sweet, chocolatey joy in every treat. C for cupcake creamy swirl, rainbow sprinkles make it twirl. D for donut round delight, sugar sparkles shining bright. E for eclair filled with cream, yummy magic like a dream. F for fudge smooth and thick, melt so sweet and melt so quick. G for gummy squishy fun, colorful bites for everyone. H for honey cake so light, golden glow and every bite. I for ice cream chili treat, scoops and sprinkles oh so sweet. J for jelly wobble dance, wiggly giggles at every glance. K for kheer, soft and mild, yummy pudding loved by every child. L for lollipop swirl and shine, candy colors twist and twine. M for macaron pastel round, soft sweet colors all around. N for nougat chewy bite, nutty sweetness pure delight. O for Oreo dunk it in, crunchy cookie fun begins. P for pancakes fluffy high, syrup rivers flowing by. Q for quince jam sticky sweet, jammy bite you love to eat. R for rascal snowy white, soft and spongy pure delight. S for sundae very cool, choco syrup yummy cool. T for taffy stretchy fun, pull and twist till you're done. U for upside down cake so fine, caramel fruit in every line. V for vanilla cup so sweet, classic flavor gentle treat. W for waffle crispy gold, honey drips as stories unfold. X for extra frosted pie, sugar sparkles flying high. Y for yogurt pop so cold, frozen fun for kids to hold. C for zesty lemon tart, sweet and tangy happy heart. Now we learned our ABC with treats and sweets in harmony. Sing again, come taste the fun, sweet ABC.
We are the ABC
for
Sweet Treats! Come and celebrate!
Everyone.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more fun ABC songs and nursery rhymes. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.